Hi, thanks for watching another one of my videos on how to do the coin laundry business right and occasionally do the coin laundry business wrong. Today I'm going to do a quick demonstration on the Electrolux 35-pound stack dryer, an incredible machine. They're all reversing. Electrolux was leading in the industry in putting reversing dryers standard, which helps immensely in quickening drying times and better throughput for customers. The cool thing though about this is in the Electrolux dryer, all dryers have a high limit and a low limit temperature. This one gets up to 190 degrees like most dryers, drops down to about 170 degrees, and then it goes back up and down. The Electrolux dryer has the Eco Dry on it. So here's what happens. As that gap narrows between 170 and 190, the goods inside the dryer have become dry. So while people are still letting them tumble, Electrolux will automatically reduce the gas temperature in the dryer. It won't cut off the heat. It'll reduce the temperature, which creates an incredible energy saving. And you can see the bottom one just kicked back on from the reverse. I'll be seeing a customer up in the Panhandle next week. His non-Electrolux store's $4,000 of gas. His Electrolux store is $1,800 of gas per month with greater volume of business. Just an incredible machine, and that's why I'm so proud to be representing it. As always, if you have any questions or comments, want more information, please give me a call. We'll be doing the Electrolux Next Level Laundry marketing seminars around North Texas and in Oklahoma. So if you would like to see these demonstrations, please give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, and we'll get you on the list. So when we have the open house in your area, we can show you the quality of this equipment and how it will help you save an incredible amount of money and get better throughput for your customers. Thanks for watching. I look forward to hearing from you.